viral news. Boy Abunda humingi ng dagdag na dasal para sa mahal na kaibigan. Ngayon ako hihingi talaga. I'm sorry. Pero parang ang kapal ng mukha ko na ang tagal nyo na akong pinagdarasal, this time I will really ask. I'm sorry to be asking you for more as it seems you all have been praying for me for so long. But I really need it now, she said on Wednesday during her one-on-one interview with Boy Abunda on Fast Talk. Because kung hindi ito tumalab, I stand a very strong chance of having cardiac arrest. As in pwedeng tumigil na lang yung pagtibok ng puso. So, may gamot na susubukan, but there's a very big risk involved with that medicine because hindi binibigay ang gamot na ito na hindi ka binibigyan ng steroids, she added. Nagsisimula na yung pamamaga ng tuhod ko at mga buto-butong naglalabasan, the swelling of my knees has started and the bones are almost showing. Right now, they're classifying it as an autoimmune mixed connective tissue disease. Falling under that, boy, is either SLE or lupus or it could be rheumatoid arthritis, she explained. Mayroon akong CREST syndrome, nakakatakot yun kasi ang inaatake naman nun, yung ating lungs, she revealed. Kasi, hindi naman sikreto sa mga tao that ang kuya niya falls under the autism spectrum. Ako lang ang nagpalaki sa dalawa. Kailangan pa nila ako, because, it's not a secret to the people that his older brother falls under the autism spectrum. I was the only one who raised them. They still need me, she said. Ikaw ano ang masasabi mo? Kung bago ka pa lang sa showbiz ko, please huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe, mag-like at i-click ang notification bell upang lagi kang updated sa susunod na mga showbiz ko.